back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
In the 50, it will be Dylan Davison out of Stanton, Virginia. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ray Fiend Medical Associates Street Stock feature here tonight at Natural Bridge Speedway. Howard Hall, Dylan Thompson leading us down into turn 4. Green flag in the air. 3 wide. Something had to happen. Miss on the pole sitter 23. Did not go, it looked like. Dylan Thompson out front. There comes Ben Hamilton in second. But let's see who leads lap 1 because it's still a lot can change. Oh, lap 1, give it to Ben Hamilton all the way from 4th. Dylan Thompson and Keith Herron side by side down the backstretch going into turn 3 now. Battle here for second. Battle for 5th between the 32 of Tony Johnson and Howard Hall. Caution on the racetrack. 26 loops it there. 26 loops it. Brings out the caution. Collects the 282 of Chris Cordell because he had nowhere to go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ben Hamilton bringing them back. 2 down. 23 laps to go here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Green flag back out. Caution, caution. Caution on the front stretch for Dylan Davison out of Stanton, Virginia. Spins right here on the front stretch. .602 Elite late models, your feature is next. Elite Racing Series 602s, your feature is next. Green flag back out here in our street stock division at Natural Bridge Speedway. Ben Hamilton, Dylan Thompson, Howard Hall, Tony Johnson, Chris Cordell, Kyle Bray. You got Lee Herron, Keith Herron, Scott Cyrus, and then Dylan Davison. 3 laps in the books here at Natural Bridge Speedway. See if the 25 of Dylan Thompson can reel in Ben Hamilton. Ben Hamilton's 5 laps in of the 25, 20 to go, 20 laps to go here. Ben Hamilton picks off another lap. Dylan Thompson in second, Howard Hall in third, Tony Johnson fourth, the 282 of Chris Cordell in fifth. Best battle heating up on the racetracks for third with Howard Hall and Tony Johnson. And you got Chris Cordell in the mix there too. Ben Hamilton and Dylan Thompson is first and second, tight within a second of each other. So Dylan Thompson is trying different lines on the racetrack to see if he can catch up to the Ben Hamilton ride. Lap traffic will come into play here shortly for Ben Hamilton. He'll have Dylan Davison, Lee Heron, and Scott Cyrus to get around here just shortly. $11 laps in the books. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Halfway here in the Rafine Medical Associates Street Stock. Ben Hamilton has led it from the flag, even coming from fourth position. Second, Dylan Thompson. Third is Howard Hall. Fourth is Tony Johnson. In fifth at the moment is the 282 of Chris Cordell. In sixth is the 97 of Kyle Bray. Seventh is the 26 of Keith Heron. Eighth, the 5 of Lee Heron. Ninth, the 16 of Scott Cyrus. And then in 10th, the 50 of Dylan Davison. So, Ben Hamilton working through lap traffic here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Next one he's got to pick off is Monroe, Virginia, Scott Cyrus. Gets to the bottom of him in turn one. Dylan Thompson's working his way around lap traffic 2 of the 50 of Dylan Davison. Now he'll try to work on Scott Cyrus. Ben Hamilton back up front, still leading, getting underneath Lee Heron, another lap car. 15 down, just 10 laps to go here in the Street Stock Division tonight at Natural Bridge Speedway. That was Ben Hamilton's fastest lap of the evening so far in this feature. So the 22 is on a roll right now, over 3.479 seconds over second place Dylan Thompson, setting his sights for another checkered here at Natural Bridge Speedway. $19 in the books, Ben Hamilton. Dylan Thompson in second, Howard Hall in third. Chris Cordell in fourth. Fifth is the 32 of Tony Johnson. Air flagman here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Chad Connor gives them 5 to go. 5 to go for Ben Hamilton. Caution, turn two. Caution, turn two. For the 282 of Chris Cordell out of Lynchburg, Virginia, spins in turn 2. Here we go. Coming to the green this time. We got 4 laps left here. 4 laps left. 602 Elite Racing Series late models. Your feature is next. Feature is next. 602 Elite Racing Series. Your feature is next. Dylan Thompson got a good run there on the restart. Caution back out here for the 26 of Keith Heron. Still 4 laps left here, ladies and gentlemen. Can Ben Hamilton hold off to the 25 of Dylan Thompson? Green back in the air here. That was Ben Hamilton's fastest lap of the night on lap 22 here. Two to go here at Natural Bridge Speedway in our street stock division for Ben Hamilton. 2 to go. White flag in the air. One more lap for Ben Hamilton around this 3/8 oval of Natural Bridge Speedway. He goes into turn 2. Smooth down the backstretch here. Going into turn 3 in the middle of the speedway, working his way through turn 4. Checkered flag is in the air for Ben Hamilton. Checkered flag is out for Ben Hamilton. Second is Dylan Thompson. Third, the 23 of Howard Hall. Fourth, the 32 of Tony Johnson. In fifth, the 97 of Kyle Bray. In sixth, the 282 of Chris Cordell. Seventh, the 16 of Scott Cyrus. Eighth, the 5 of Lee Heron. In ninth, it'd be the 50 of Dylan Davison. And then 10th, the 26 of Keith Heron.
We're down here with the street stock winner, Ben Hamilton. Ben, you got the lead early, and you were just set sailing. Tell me about the car and how it felt.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Everybody just kind of cleared out of the way for me, but take it any way I can get it. Kind of been missing out on my interviews because my kids are racing, but I got to thank all the sponsors, Driven Motors, Hamilton Woodworking, Hamilton Gardens, Jennings Property Solutions, JTB Trucking, Oil Exchange and Lube, Kiwi Carriers, my wife Stacy, Caleb. Everybody comes and helps us. Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right, there you have the street stock winner, the 22, Ben Hamilton.